Welcome to the hood. Welcome to the hood. Welcome to the hood. They don't show you. It's fresh, it's nice, it's serene, it's elegant. And by God, darn, is it peaceful. And I love it. Welcome to the hood. Set your mind at ease as I show you peaceful pictures. Lord, who's a stubborn duck? Hey boy, you ain't do what your mama told you to do. You ain't do what your mama told you to do. Now you trying to run. Oh, you wanna run up on some homies. I see that. I see that. Alright. Looks like they outnumbered though. But they got some hidden organization or something. Cause it's 5-3. Oh, they brought something up. Oh man. Y'all doing the brother. Oh man. Y'all doing your brothers like a misjoin out here, man. And all that. They're about to square off. They're about to go at it. Ah, is love, I see. There's love in the place. That's what's up. What you mean, how you mean, what you mean, how you mean? The grass is green and the air is serene. How you mean, how you mean, how you mean? Every jugger's jugging mean. I will never split my spleen. I love being like a sitting bean. I'm following the dean. Oh, yeah. Oh boy, they're about to crack it. They're about to crack it. Ooh, he's running to get his point. Ooh, he's running to get his point. Ooh. Yeah, this be the hood, man. Yeah, this be the hood. Yeah, this really be the hood, man. Yeah. It's Royal Rumble. It's Royal Rumble. Oh boy, everybody come. But your homie getting smoked. Hello. What? Your homie getting smoked and you're going into hiding? What? Bruh. Ooh, everybody, there's bodies all over the floor. Bodies all over the damn floor. How you mean? Guys, I thought this was gonna be peaceful. I thought we were gonna have some square stuff out here. I thought I was gonna show y'all the hood, and I thought, you know, everyone was gonna relax their mind at this time of the coronavirus. But these ducks be doing some hood stuff out here, man. Gee. What it is. Aye. Ah, they be getting their trip on. These dudes want no part of it. I'm sure the ladies are impressed. Sure the lady duckies are impressed. But yeah, let's get back to serenity. How peaceful. Ah, the good Lord. He really outdone himself on this beauty. This is truly beautiful. Oh, here's the stowaways. Here's the two that want to stick around. I make it look like, yeah, yeah, we was about, yeah, we had that. We was about, yeah, you know what I mean? The two funners that want to make you, those guys when you're in beef, that just come when it's the end to make it look like they were around. Yeah. Yeah, we know you weren't there. 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 Yes, we know we weren't there. We know you weren't there. You ran away. Oh, look at all those gossipers. Oh, gossipers. Or the homeboys be at the back somewhere. Yeah. Man, you should have whacked his ass. Man, I was trying to come behind you and I told you to give him a haymaker to his jaw on there. You see them at the back there going to corroborate their evaluation of the fight that ensued. I told you next time, go to the left and I'll go to the right. What you mean? Guys, I thought we were coming for something serene today, but these animals done stole it out of the water. No pun intended. Cheer. All that. Oh boy, they getting it on today. It's either men on a mission, ducks on a mission. Oh, these ducks be active. These ducks be active, man. They be getting it in, man. These ducks be active. So y'all in for a surprise today. Yeah. Y'all been for a surprise today. Yeah. Chew the pole and things so I can get my diamond rings. Yeah. Welcome to the hood. Yeah, man. Oh, you a good boy, ain't you? Good boy, ain't you? Good boy, ain't you? Cheer. Sorry, I ain't got no more food for all of you. I wasted it on your friends, but they only want to scatter it. Next time, if I got any more fish, I'll fall out for yous and let you bite the fins and all that. Wants to know nothing about it. Wants to know you don't want some fins. Because every fish you try to catch out there is going to keep running away from you. Serenity. 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 Serenity.